I walk in there and they have a bad attitude, or you can tell they're just not with it, this and that, I probably wouldn't go back there. If I went back a second time and I got the same experience, you wouldn't get my dollars anymore. I'd go somewhere else.
I want someone talking to me, saying, hey, we'll be with you. Hey, instead of the, walking up down the aisles and they're, looking away when you look up to see if they're ready for you yet. I want someone just acknowledging and say, hey, we'll be with you in a minute. That goes a long ways. When you're ignored, you feel like walking out in a very short amount of time.
I guess an example, if a couple of guys are behind the counter having a conversation that might not be work related, that they'll at least acknowledge that you're there and take care of you. If I walk in and that conversation continues for much of a long time, I don't care, because all of our time's money. We got to get stuff done. So,
welcome to the next step in the positive customer service process: impression. Creating a good impression is critical when interacting with the customer. Communication is more than just conversing verbally with people. Your attitude, your gestures, and demeanor all play a huge part in how you present yourself. Let's watch our main man, Brett, again as he goes about creating impressions that really could use some help. Of course, we'll allow him to redeem himself later in a segment when he goes over the right way to make a positive impression with a customer. For now, take it away, Brett.
Oh, hi.
Hey, little help over here? Just wondering, is your washer fluid and oil still on sale?
Yeah, it's a real good deal, too.
Well, is there any limit to the amount I can buy, or?
Premier Auto Parts and Paint. Oh, hey, Stan, my favorite customer. What's up? Oh, yeah, no, don't worry. We already got your order off. Hey, did you catch the playoff game last night? Oh, yeah, no. It was a great game. It was... I don't know about this year. No. It's going to be the Red Wings for sure. Oh, I mean, winning streak's no coincidence. It's gonna... Hey, Stan, I got some customers here. I gotta... Yeah. Of course not.
You want to know something?
Shoot.
Your salesman, Bill, emailed me this flyer. So I thought I'd drop by and check it out, maybe buy a few things for my 4 shops. But I decided I don't need anything today. So just let Bill know Kevin dropped by.
Okay, see you later, Carl.
It's Kevin.
Brett really turned Kevin off, didn't he? He forgot to introduce himself. He didn't get his name, and he ignored him and chatted away about the hockey game while he was on the phone.